It takes a great team of scientists to get safe treatment to the patients, biocompatible medical devices to hospitals, safe agrochemicals to farmers. Our team is uniquely positioned to cater to all these industry testing needs with its capability and facilities.
Eurofins Advenus is a research organization providing end-to-end services to the biotech, pharmaceutical, agrochemical, nutraceutical, and cosmetic industries. Based in Bengaluru, India, Eurofins Advenus is working with partners and regulators all over the world.
Starting from US, Canada, Europe, as well as Southeast Asia. Many of our clients have appreciated our work and they have continued their partnership over several years, and they have recommended our services to their biotech community.
Eurofins Advenus offers comprehensive services across the R&D value chain for pharma and biotech companies. Eurofins Advenus have all the expertise needed to take a new molecule from discovery all the way through to clinical trials. Key areas of research include medicinal chemistry, biology, process chemistry, ADME, safety pharmacology, safety assessment, and API manufacturing.
Chemistry plays a very important role in introducing new molecule to the market. All the people who are responsible for designing, synthesizing and screening are co-located and hence better collaborations. And the knowledge transfer from discovery to development is seamless because it's all in the same campus.
Eurofins Advenus offers non-clinical safety assessment services including IND and NDA enabling studies, medical device biocompatibility studies, impurity qualification studies, and REACH testing. This highly specialized work is based on over 30 years of good laboratory practice supporting preclinical trials and registration of substances and products globally. Eurofins Advenus' facilities are GLP and ALAC certified, OLAW and SAM registered.
We have proven record of 70 plus IND programs and 65 plus carcinogenicity studies, 300 plus DOT studies, and 20,000 GLP regulatory studies. Eurofins Advenus conduct the studies by complying with current regulatory guidelines such as US FDA, EPA, and other global regulatory guidelines. Since Eurofins Advenus safety assessment is a special regulatory toxicology studies, we need experience and long-standing expertise in this area.
Eurofins Advenus Safety Assessment has a state-of-the-art facility which includes modern clinical pathology, slide processing equipments, Provantis for online data capture, SEND for US FDA submission. The bioanalytical group specializes in quantitative LC-MS method development and validation and sample analysis. Bioanalytical services are routinely provided for compounds in discovery and in preclinical safety assessment and clinical development. They are also equipped with Watson LIMS for data management and toxicokinetic assessment. Eurofins Advenus also offers extensive manufacturing capabilities and all the facilities needed for high regulatory standards.
Any drug substance manufacturing for clinical trial starts all the way from vendor qualification, raw material sourcing, storage, manufacturing, isolation, etc. Our warehouse has a storage capacity of several metric tons of raw material, and we can store the raw material at a different temperature and humidity based upon the recommendation. We have different clean rooms to isolate the final compound. We have a state-of-the-art microbiology lab as well as QC lab to test and release the final compound.
Eurofins Advenus is also applying its expertise to agrochemical industries, submitting high-quality data to support regulatory submissions.
Eurofins Advenus has vast experience in developing data packages for global regulatory submissions in compliance with guidelines like OECD, OCSPP, ASTM. Our analytical studies include product chemistry, metabolism studies, and trace level analysis and method developments for all these. Eurofins Advinus Analytical Labs is well equipped with diversified instruments like NMR, FTIR, ion chromatographs, ICP-MS, and other specialized instruments. Our ecotoxicology group conducts aquatic and terrestrial ecotoxicology studies. Eurofins Advinus has field facilities where we conduct field efficacy of pesticides, fertilizers, and plant growth promoters.
Looking after its clients is key to Eurofins Advinus. Dedicated project management team is responsible for resource allocation, logistics, timeline projection, as well as coordinating direct interaction between technical teams and client. Quality assurance team audits all studies at different phases of the project to ensure compliance to GLP standards. Client confidentiality is of the utmost importance. Therefore, there are secure data exchange platforms. India's Eurofins Advinus is providing global quality at affordable prices and ensuring the safety and efficacy of the products we use all over the world.